Warning, this video is for documentary, scientific, educational, and artistic purposes only. You must be over 18 to watch this content, and by the way, we do not sell anything. Hello to all my Gromies on YouTube. This is Grow Master Flash here to report the unboxing of a Thermoforge T3 Environmental VPD heater. You know that if you live in the Northeast or if you live in an area where it gets cold, there are going to be times where your plants are going to be through fluctuations. Whether it be hot and cold, the difference between the temperatures can stress these plants out. What I did was I went and purchased this so that can fix my problem in the wintertime. Living up here in the Northeast, the winters can be pretty brutal, and you want to make sure that you have, the proper heat for your plants, because they can literally just stop growing. And, if you're in the flowering stage, they can stop flowering. They literally just say, holy shit, it's too cold, let's slow down. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, here we go. Upon opening it, it's a nice, fresh, clean insert here. You'll see that AC Infinity has these nice foams, and these foams will protect your device. So if you throw the box around any which way, it will still be okay. So now what I'm going to do is turn this upside down. Get the contents out. Okay, so lay this down right here, like that. Upon opening it, you're going to see these cords here that kind of wrap around it. See that there? Which is really cool. Inside, you're going to get the obvious things, which would be, it will show their platform on how you integrate all of their devices all into one for their cloud. And then obviously you have the instructions right here that tell you how to work it. And then you also will get a temperature probe with some fastenings. And with most AC Infinity products, you will get a male to male, which is an extension. And that's about it. And lastly, we have our hose extension. This whole extension can get attached to this hose right here. And then I put this on here, and then I have a longer extension. So yeah, I think the AC Infinity Thermo Forge series is going to be a win. It's going to help regulate my VPD. Please subscribe to the channel so you can find out what happens next after I hook it up in my garden.